Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this channel serves to simplify the common issues that we run into while using some of our tech gadgets. So I would be touching on a whole lot, but today first and foremost we'll have to treat the common issues that we experience when we use our Airtel 4G Smartbox router. So, for certain reasons, users might choose to restore their router to factory setting if they run into some issues like low internet speed, intermittent drops when you're using it, when you're connected to your router, you're experiencing intermittent drops, or you have Wi-Fi signal problems. Another reason why people might choose to hard reset their router could be when the router becomes undiscoverable. So these are the few reasons when someone might choose to hard reset their router. So there are two steps that we will be employing when we talk about hard resetting our Airtel 4G Smartbox router. The first step would be to access our router IP address. The IP address for Airtel router is 192.168.1.1. So I'm gonna enter that. So first and foremost, I have to open my Chrome. Can you see my screen? All right. So this is open now. I'll have to enter the address. One nine two dot 168.1.1. So that's the address if you want to access your Airtel router. So you click on enter. So it shows you this. So you have to log in to be able to perform any hard reset when you're connected. So the username is always admin. The username is always admin. And the password is also admin. Can you see my screen? All right, so when you're logged in, you can see the number of connected devices, you can see your router, battery health, you can see the service bar here, and the signal strength or the transmission strength here. So you have to go to settings, go to your settings. So when you go to your settings, once you're logged in, locate your settings, the settings menu. Now scroll down till you get to router management. Right here is router management. Click on router management and click on restore. So it will ask you it will prompt to know if you are quite sure of running these factory settings, restore factory settings. So you can tap confirm and it will simply execute the command. So that's one way. If you do experience problem like your router being undiscoverable, or you forgot your password and because of that you're unable to connect to your router, this other option would work very fine for you. But then you need to still have your router password at the back of your router, because once you perform this hard reset, you start using your router like it's a new router. So it will prompt for the password that your router came with when you bought it new. So to perform these hard resets without connecting to your router, you have to open the back of your router. You do it like so. So once you've opened the back, this is the battery. Please, first and foremost, you need to switch off your router. As you can see, this my router is on. You need to switch it off, and this is where you power it off. This button here. So it's off now. So I disconnect, I unplug my battery, or I shift it rather. So you can see reset inscribed here. So this reset inscribed here means that you will have to use this reset code here to perform a hard reset of your Airtel 4G Smartbox router. So all you got to do now is to press and hold this for 10 seconds. Once you press and hold it for 10 seconds, your router would automatically hard reset. So this works when you forget your router password, or when your router becomes completely undiscoverable. And so guys, that's how best you can perform a hard reset of your Airtel 4G Smartbox router. So if you found this helpful, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe and share the video. Let's grow this channel, because lots of other helpful tips will be coming up as we proceed. Thank you very much, guys.